Good afternoon. Right now it's about 1 o'clock and it's 8th of February 2018. How are you guys? What's going on? How are your trades? We had an excellent day today. With my webinar members, I was trading in the morning and we had very, very good trades. I'll show you each and every trade. I'll show you and what I did and why we did. And we're going to be showing, I'm going to be telling you everything, right? But before I do that, it's a disclaimer. I don't want you to get excited by looking at the profits, but I want you to get excited about learning. It's not my idea to show my trades. It is basically I want to teach you guys. I really want to teach you guys. And um, to me, whatever amount of profit I get, it doesn't give me much, what do you say, happiness or satisfaction. I get more happiness and satisfaction when my members earn the money. So, this is Nifty today, right? Nifty definitely opened gap up and with volumes. Nifty opened gap up and Nifty opened with volumes. Okay. And so what did I do? I marked its morning range. And I was pretty much sure that Nifty, if it crosses its morning range with volumes, it is going to go up, right? It is definitely going to go up. So this was the morning range. And I marked it and I was pretty much sure in case it goes up, it crosses it with volume, it will go up. So that was the time we bought these calls, right? We bought 10,500 calls. I just deleted it. I've made instead of now 10,600 call here. Hmm? So I'll show you. I bought about how many Nifty calls? I bought 1,050 calls at 166 rupees. You can see that. And where did I sell it? At 196. Good 30 points I got here, right? 30 into 1050. That is what I earned today in, Nifty calls. So that was our first trade. Most of my members, I'm going to show what exactly they did. And then we entered into Apollo Tire. So for Apollo Tire, we didn't even wait for the morning range. For us, it was, definitely a buy since yesterday night. We had already organized this trade and I was 100% sure that this is going to go up. So the moment it opened and the moment candles went above the 10 moving average, I entered into it. And see the beautiful flight the stock has taken, and now it is experiencing a little resistance, right? So I'll show you. Not even, I didn't wait. 9:20 only I entered into Apollo Tire call and I entered into Apollo Tire's future. And also on my Telegram channel also, I posted it around the same time. I posted it around 9:56. I posted it when I got further confirmation, because see, when I'm posting here on Telegram, 3,000 people have watched my tweet, my posting, and I'm responsible for their trades, right? I have to be billion times sure, because every penny is important. If you lose a penny, I'll be very, very sad. So this is where I gave it to you. 9:56 I gave it to you. 280 call at 303 rupees 10 paisa. Right now you can see where is this call, 445. Of course, I exited my call at 4 rupees because I had to go somewhere. And I also bought at the same time, 9:20, I bought Apollo Futures at 262 rupees. Where did I sell it? 267 rupees I sold it. Good, about 15,000 rupees profit I got here. So all of the trades that I did were, and also I did Indigo. How can I forget that? So Indigo was also very, very nice trade. This was Indigo trade. Like the moment it broke its morning range, it was a tiny candle that I had in the morning. I saw in the morning. Moment it was broken, the pivot point was broken with volumes. I entered into it and it gave me a good profit, right? So Indigo, I'll show you where I entered. I entered Indigo. So again, as I tell always, I teach also and I tell also. So I'll just explain it to you. What did I do? I did not enter into till it broke with volumes its pivot point. So what did I do when we were doing our class? I kept a stop loss order at 1 1241. I waited for this point to break 1241. So what did I do? I kept a buy order. I went to the box order, or I don't know. I did a box order. I did a box order, and I went to the stop loss, and here I put 1241 because I was sure about it. There were certain factors that I've put into counting, and I did my buy here, and I left it. Right, whichever moment it crossed 1241, my order was executed, and I was into great profit. So see here, it was autopilot mode. See, it happened at 10:01. So let's see, did it happen at that time? Let me show you. So the order was executed at 10:01. So this is 9:50. This is 10 o'clock. This is 9:55. This is a 5-minute graph, right? So this is 9:45. We'll have to come to 15 minutes. We'll have to come to 15 minutes because I wanted it to cross this particular barrier, which is at 1241, the day high. And this happened at 10. You can see exactly at 10 o'clock, I placed it got executed by itself, right? So this is how I entered into this stock. And now what I'm thinking, I have now put the boundaries of Nifty, right? And I'm waiting for it to give me a confirmation, right? I'm going to be ready. I have put the put order also. I have put the call also. So suppose the candles come below, right? MACD crosses over, RSI goes down. Then I'm going to buy the put. And if it crosses this line in the upward direction with volumes, then I'm going to buy call, right? So right now it's about 104. I'll still wait for more confirmation. I really need more confirmation, right? So I'm going to delete this and I'm going to make it 10,500 put. So Nifty 10,500. Nifty 10,500 put, right? Is what I'm keeping here. It is at 107 rupees. I'm going to bring it here and I will enter into it. But before that, let me see what's happening into its option chain. Does it help me? Does it support me? So there is reduction here, but I don't think so it's supporting me. So Nifty should not fall more than 10,000. This is where the support is, 10,600, right? I don't know. I'm finding it very, very ambiguous. If I look into technicals, it's about to fall. But if I look into the option chain, it doesn't seem to be, going down. So I'm just, thinking what to do, So I'm just doing it. I'm just waiting it. So before that, I want to take you to my channel where I gave exactly the same time the trade that I gave you. I gave you the call. I gave you the call of Apollo Tyres. And I want to show you how members traded with me. Many of them traded with me. And look at the trades that you have got. Here, Nifty, Ashoka Leyland and KPIT. Then Apollo Tyres Future and Apollo Tyres. Then Apollo Tyre Futures and Apollo Tyres. Then IPCA Lab, Apollo Tyres, Bank Nifty call, right? Then Apollo Tyres, Nifty and Tech Mahindra. Then Apollo Tyres, all, there is no discrepancy. Everything is in front of your eyes, This is how we trade. This is how we trade and this is how members traded, and this is how they have got the profit. Everything you can see, right? So the next, what I can see here there is a call unwinding happening and the support is now at 10,500 level. So what I'm doing now, I'm waiting because now see the candles have come below 10 moving average by piercing it with volume. Now I'm going to wait for the candles to leave the 10 moving average. The moment candles leave 10 moving average, I'm going to give a put, I'm going to give the put of Nifty 10,500 put, right? So that is what I have kept here as well because I feel very comfortable when it's close to the the current price. The current price of Nifty is about 10,600. So 100 point below is where I have kept my target. So if Nifty falls from here, how much will it fall? It will fall till at least 40 points, right? and it will give us good profit here. This put will give us at least 20 points minimum, but I'm waiting for the confirmation. Until I have confirmation, I'm not going to be giving it. Nowhere I will be giving it. Let me just go and see 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, there could be, I'm going to see the next candle. How is the next candle forming? That will give me more clarity. That will give me more clarity. How's the next candle forming? So it looks to me under pressure. It definitely looks to me under pressure, but still, if I look at it this point, it's going to only fall for 10 points to 15 points, not more than that, right? So it's going to be a kind of gamble. I'm going to buy the put. I'm going to buy the put, but again, it's a little risky proposition right now. So I'm just waiting for more confirmation, and I get the confirmation only on 15 minutes, right? So these were few trades that I wanted to do. How many of you watched my video the day before? I said Flips Carbon is what I will buy. There were no sellers that day. I said no buyers on that day. I said I will be the buyer. Then I told you I'm going to buy the Goa Carbon. I'm going to buy the Goa Carbon. Then I told I'm going to buy the Graphite India, right? I'm going to buy Graphite India. So all these trades I gave, all these trades I gave, and all of them are doing very, very well. Look at it, right? Even that is up. All my trades, that I have decided and I have told you are doing extremely well, right? So guys, once again, I'm calling out to you all. You've seen the kind of profits people have made in one day. 19,000. Do you think recovering your fees will take me a long time? No, not at all. 14,000, 11,000, 24,000. Look at it. 8,000, right? 57,000. These are the profits members have earned, right? So this is your opportunity. You want to take it, take it. You don't want to take it, your choice, but my job is to tell you and remind you, right? Now see, this is sorry, Nifty. I need to go to Nifty futures. So Nifty is experiencing a resistance, and I'm going to go to 15 minutes. And if the next candle forms below 10 moving average and leaves it, let me see if I could have a 10 minutes time frame. So if the candle leaves it and come below, because MACD has gone down, RSI is at 57, the candles have to come below, right? Then I'm going to buy its put. That's my strategy on Nifty. Or what is the next option that I have? Because looking into the option chain, I feel there are more chances of it to go up than to go down, right? That is what I'm feeling, that it's got more chances of going up than going down. So what I have done, I have put a line here. In case it crosses in upward direction with volumes, I will buy the call, right? I'm on both the sides, but because it has already moved so much, that is why getting a positive trade is a little it doesn't look that to me that happening. But Nifty is in a channel, right? Whichever direction it will break, it'll fall in, it will go in that particular direction. So I'm waiting and watching, and I'm going to be giving it on Stock Pro, the public channel that I have, to you all, so that you can all watch it, how accurate our trades are. Okay. So this is it. I have a lot and lot of stocks on my radar. I want to show you HEG. How did it move? HEG really moved nicely. I couldn't really create yesterday my positions into it, but HEG had given at least 50%, return in few days. See, this is how. It was at 2,225. Now this is at 2,921. This is how it has gone up. So HEG was my trade, but I have missed it. I should have entered it yesterday night itself, right? So dekte, let's see how it goes. So I'm just waiting for a clear indication from the Nifty. Then I'm going to entering into the trade. All right. So Guys, if you want to talk to my team, if you want to be in touch with them, if you want to learn and if you want to earn, you please go to my website and go to contact us, right? Go to contact us. You have Telegram, you have WhatsApp, you have phone, you have email, you have this space where you can write a question and send me, and you have my team also with whom you can chat, right? So you have all these options. You have to just reach out, if you want to learn. Otherwise, there are so many people providing tips nowadays. you know we talked about this. There are many others who are talking about the same talks that we gave. They talk about Jufik Bio, they talk about the this one Flips Carbon, they talk about JBMA, exactly same trades we. So they are all just copycats. So beware of it. You need to understand there is a difference between taking tips and there's a difference between learning about it. So whatever trade I do, I discuss with you. I told you that today we entered into the call. Why? Because the morning range broke. Not only me, along with me, all my members did that trade. Similarly, Apollo Tyres was on our radar for quite some time, and we found an opportunity and we entered into it. Not only we entered, we gave it publicly to everybody, and everybody enjoyed very, very good trades. And you saw how beautifully Indigo went up. This was the run up Indigo had. This run up Indigo had, right? Beautiful run up. So we enjoyed good trades today. Thank you guys for being with us and trusting us. We will ensure that my members were also talking about in the meanwhile about Sun Pharma. Look at Sun Pharma, how beautifully it has gone up. So this was also on our radar because of certain strategies that we follow. Fine. So be ready. I may be giving a trade soon, and that trade could be on Nifty, or that trade could be on some stock. Bye bye. Good day. See you tomorrow. But please learn. Without learning, don't continue live on the borrowed luck from someone else. You have to be master of your money. No one else should be able to take call on your money. You have to decide when to enter, when to exit. Right? With this, I'm signing off, but I'm expecting all of you to see on the webinar starting on 17th of February. Bye bye. Good day.